Hello, brother. So, how are you all? A very warm welcome to another new video. So, today's training pair is JBP JPY, okay? And our trend that is showing here in the market, we've set up a zone here. It's a parallel channel, you could say. And what's happening in the current market? Suppose that if you randomly open any chart and look here, you can see what's happening right now. At the moment, there's a consolidation area going on here, and this candle is trying to break it. I'll extend this area a bit more up to here. Alright, our trend is moving up, so we'll try to execute a long position trade in the direction of the current trend. Okay? This candle is forming a very large green bullish candle, so here we go. 300. Let's take a look at the screen, okay? So we have just placed a downward trade right here. Now, according to this specific zone, let's look at this previous green candle. What exactly did it do? It's clear that it didn't close above or move outside this zone, which is a key signal for us. It closed within this zone itself, and right here you can see from this zone, a red candle was created. That means sellers should be active here. So, as you can see, it got rejected right here, okay? That means it's a very good point of resistance, and this specific candle should be a red candle. This is all according to candle check psychology, right? Now, please look, I am not a financial advisor here. I am trying to analyze the market based on price action and trying to learn a little bit more myself. So I absolutely do not recommend that you do anything in this way or take a trade based on this. I just want to teach you something for educational purposes, okay? So let's just wait for this current candle to close. Okay, so this candle has definitely turned out to be a red candle, right? Gold was an exceptionally successful trade, and there is one more important thing. If you haven't joined our challenge yet, you can join there as well. I keep giving detailed market updates there, and I've put the link for it in the description of this video. So let's move on to our... Now look, if you analyze the market here, what's happening? The market has been rejected from here 1, 2, 3 times. Even on the third attempt, the chances of rejection are high. This means that sellers are exerting their pressure here, but buyers are also showing quite a strong movement, so based on that you need to try accordingly. We have already made our profit, so now we are not going to push for any more. Just $200, okay? Look, it is clearly an uptrend, right? There is a significant upward movement happening here. Now if you go back a little bit further, what exactly happened here? A huge green candle and then suddenly a red candle, right? So according to the current chart analysis, the exact same scenario should apply here as well. A huge solid green candle, then suddenly a sharp red candle. A huge green candle with absolutely no rejection wick, immediately followed by a red candle, right? So the same scenario is happening here too, and it's closing right within this significant resistance zone. If this candle closes within this zone, that means it has entered a zone, our buyer's zone, so we will slightly increase our lot size. So that even if there is a chance of a loss in this trade, we can make a profit in the next trade. Okay, so it has broken through it. Alright, 321, okay, so why did we place a down trade? Okay, look, we placed a down trade for this reason. What did this huge candle do to our zone? It broke it, then suddenly the market should have gone up from here. But what did this red candle show? This red candle wanted to indicate to us that now buyers are no longer active here. Suddenly there is a huge red candle, so after this 1 or 2 more candles of ours. Will more red candles form ahead in the future? See what is happening here? Sellers are also aggressively active. So because of this, our down trade is forming here. So this is the logic behind it. So let's just wait for this current trade to win. So our energy was quite good and positive. And let me make one more thing clear to you here. Look, I am not a financial advisor, right? Nor am I someone who has come here today to give you financial tips. It's really nothing like that. We are just trying to place trades here, and that's pretty much about it. It's just for educational purposes to help you understand, right? So now look, what are we all going to do from here? We'll mark this as a zone. What has this become for us now? this has become a very strong resistance zone. Didn't I mention this earlier? After this candle, I said 1, 2, or even 3 more red candles would form. And as you can see, exactly the same thing is happening right now, so you can take advantage of this situation. When we take a look at the chart, our next support zone will be, it is this. What is this for us? This is our support area. How? Look, the market came here, got completely rejected from this portion, then came here again, then another red candle indicated that this is a resistance zone. Then from here, the market moved up, retested this, and then, yes, what's happening in the future? In the future, look here, it's beautifully providing support, showing that the market is respecting this area. So here, price action is working perfectly, and suddenly, what happened here? Buyers entered, meaning this is a strong support. It's quite strong, so let's reduce the amount a bit. Does that sound good? We will now place a trade down at 321. Based on my analysis, it is necessary to place a horizontal line right here. There is a significant amount of rejection right from here, from this particular zone. This is quite a rejection zone. There should have been a rejection from here, but there wasn't. No worries. After this candle, there should have been a huge red candle, but it's okay. We can consider this an error candle. Oh look, did you see? The trade won. Did the trade win, bro? The analysis was absolutely spot on. See, basically what happened? From a huge support, a huge red candle formed, which is quite, it's a bit of a confusing situation. From the support, a huge green candle formed. So the price action suggests that buyers got exhausted here and sellers should have come in. So it went up quite a bit. So I thought that, man, at this point, the sellers are active, have become active. So a red candle should form. Based on that, I placed a down trade here. A lot of people go the other way from here and end up with a loss. So what did we do? We placed a down trade here and it worked out quite well for us. That's going to be all for today's video. I truly hope you enjoyed the video. And there is just one more thing. If you haven't joined my Telegram yet, you can go there and join us as well. I have provided the link below and I am not a financial advisor. The way I have placed all these trades, I have shown them based on the transactions, so don't trade in this way yourself. I would not recommend it to you. This video is only for educational purposes. Okay, that's all for today as well. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.